Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sharpen your knives. Sharpening your knives prolongs its life and allows you to cut vegetables or meat or whatever faster and more efficiently. So first off, you are going to need to take a silicone mat and a rag or whatever you need. Just take it like that. Next up, you're going to want to soak your stone in water. You can get these sharpening stones for like $5 to $15. You can get it from just about anywhere, Walmart, for example. Next, take your knife that needs sharpening and then just sit on the stone like this. But you can't just push like that or else it'll ruin your knife. You need to get the angle right. So here's a little trick. Set it down flat like this and then just tilt it so that the tip of the blade hits the stone. It's resting against that. Then keep that angle for the entire knife and start with the tip here and then just slide up like this. Now remember, there are two sides to a stone. There is the rough side, which is usually darker in color, and the smooth side, which is lighter in color. And just slide it. What you want to do is slide it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Flip it over and do the same number of strokes that you did the previous time on this side. So 3, 4, 5, 6. And then do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now flip this over, and then on this side you want to do the strokes less than you would on the rough side. This is just kind of like to smooth the metal out. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And keep doing that until your knife is able to cut paper. And I'll show you that trick in just a second. Okay, so I've sharpened this for a while now, and I'm going to show you a little trick to check its sharpness. You know it's sharp enough when it can cut through paper. So, it cut through paper like that. This knife is now sharp. Now, once you're done with that, you'll want one of these. Let me get it. Here it is. I'm not sure what these are called. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments. But once you're done sharpening here, just go like this. Up and down like that. Just like that. Just a couple of times. You can also do this in an emergency just to like prime it a little bit. But you'll want to do this at the end of your sharpening. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you next time.